when you come in here, you're not happy, so you stay on that side. A big sister and a towel is all we need for fun. Kitchen time. We're being good boys. Everybody's using the potty when they need it. And they do have beds if they want them, but the towel seems to be more fun. Silly things. Silly things. Oh, you got a toe caught? Here, I'll help you. Oh, you got it. You got it. Yeah, you guys are all going to have nail trims this afternoon. Funny puppies. Trying to run out some energy before we have nail trims.